Good morning. We are into day 3 actually. We saw where did we go yesterday? We were staying in Ljubljana, we went to Lake Bled, and then we went to a mountain, and then we went to have some food. It was cool. And a closed gorge. Today we are taking a 2-hour road trip to some place that I'm still not 100% sure what is, but Alex said it's going to be fucking beautiful. So, welcome to day 2. So we were just driving about, I don't know, 45 minutes-ish. We stopped because we found a lovely little lake to do some skimming. Go on Alex, show us what you got.
It's all about finding the right stone, isn't it? It's all about, coarseness. It's quite a big one. Oh, it's rubbish!
Can't resist taking a couple of pictures, a couple of selfies. Selfie queen Alex.
Vogue.
Same way back, you will see here another canyon bridge, but this is only panoramic, only to see the river, the confluence, turn back.
So we are here at Triglavski Narodni. Triglavski Narodni Park, because we've got lots to go and see, lots to go and explore, and oh my god, of course, it's just another beautiful location. Ooh.
Let's get on this.
Lots of flowers, waterfalls.
The Bear's Head, this is called.
Wow.
Loads to see. Let's get exploring. Really badly.
But not as bad as what it does when you...
That's a long way down. Woo. So, I'm so glad that this gorge is open as compared to the one yesterday, because holy shit. Look at that. What an amazing spot. This gorge is huge. It's insane. The ones we saw in Norway were massive, but we didn't really get a chance to get into the bottom of it. But here we are at the bottom of the gorge. Chilling out. This is awesome. I hope you can hear me okay. The sound of the running water is just amazing. Roasted hot. I don't have a hoodie on for a change. I have it with me, but I don't have it on. Alright, time to get further into the gorge. Woo!
quite rare in the Julian Alps because of the rockfall under the bridge, which created a barrier and raised the riverbed.
The water can be 20 degrees. Look at the colour of it.
In that little gap there, that's it there, the little tiny gap, that's in there.
I see it, I see it.
And in a minute we're going to go underneath the Devil's Bridge.
Devil's Bridge. Sweet.
So. Oh, look at that big fucking spider. There's a big spider.
Oh, whoa, there is. Shine the light on it. Oh, look at that.
Look at the egg.
Oh, the egg is hanging right by your camera.
Okay, yeah, no, not about the eggs. Spiders, yeah? No, not the eggs.
Look, there's egg spiders everywhere.
Alex is in his element because he's found.
Spider's eggs, so it's all on the roof. There's one here. A lovely round spider egg here, probably holding 150 puppers. So I can't wait for them to hatch. We could wait, can we? Just wait for them all to just come around and look.
You can wait, mate. I'll leave you here.
Yeah, lovely spiders.
Right, we're leaving Alex. No chance of me spending any more time in a cave full of fucking spiders' eggs. Hey. That's where we were, and that's where we're going.
During construction. The beginning of the previous century. Thing is, a lot of people don't realise this, during the World War I, a lot of these places were primarily used as battlegrounds. 100,000 people lost their lives in the Julian Alps during World War I. Planter's nightshade, which is common in untouched and old woodland.
Oh. That's a little bit weird. Oh. That is pretty. Oh my god, he's actually jumping on it. Well, that was uncomfortable. What have you found, Alex?
So, loads of it. We get it in the UK, but one of my favourite things, just common wood sorrel. And it's so lemony, it's unbelievable. It's got a really nice zest to it. Really good. Everyone's tried some now. You tried some.
Yeah, I tried some and spat it out because it is strong. And I'm a bit of a weak person for like sweet and bitter and anything like toxic waste. But yeah, fair enough. You said it's lemony, I put it in my mouth, it was lemons. Oh, my legs. Oh my god. More to go.
Okay. Thank you very much.
What's happened, Alex?
Gone the wrong way. She did say to try the bridge, but obviously us adventurous type carried on through.
Who led us the wrong way?
What do you mean?
The lads have found themselves some entertainment. Bendy stick. You having fun there, mate? He's loving it. Those three are handling this very easy. Whereas I think Beth and I are struggling a little bit more than those guys. It's a long way up. It's a lot of stairs. The only thing you should be doing at lunch when you're hiking is making fucking sandwiches. So we made it to the top of where we were climbing to. No idea how high we actually are at the moment, but there was a lot of steps. A lot of steps. We're heading to a place called Devil's Bridge, which is where Alex said earlier lots of people have died in a war. But it's just this insanely insanely, brilliantly positioned bridge in the middle of a gorge. It seems to be an old road, but there's so many people walking along, I really doubt anyone drives along it anymore. But check this out. There's some people over there, just to get an idea of how big this place really is. Oh, it's me! It's huge. And then there's this huge rock foundation. Foundation. It's netted so it doesn't down there. Go a very long way. It's the bottom of the So we were down on that bridge earlier. We've gone all the way down that way, all the way up the side of that mountain, come out over there, walk down there, and we have arrived. Yeah, not exactly too sure where here is, but Alex says it's flat and easy on the way down. So sweet. And then we're going to. We were going to go to some fort, but in the interest of having a bit more time at the other everywhere else, we're going to forego that because there's a couple of places where we want to go swimming. Because the water here so far in the gorge has been crystal clear, and like it said in the thing, it said it could go up to 20 degrees. So I'm not expecting everywhere to be that warm. That'd be nice. So we're just going to go find a place for a swim, and then what, Alex?
We're going to go up to the Trent Valley and maybe even follow the source of the Socia River all the way down. So not Bovec, but some way, a little bit way down.
There you go. That's what we're doing. All done. Alex was right. We have actually come to the end. So that's where we started. This little hut thing. And then, so we are. How long's the next drive? 20 minutes. Cool. Well, as you probably just heard, Beth's going for a wee. We're going to go to the car, drive to the next place, have a little swim. Yeah? Yeah? After swimming in the Blue Lagoon in Malta, turns out I really enjoy swimming. I haven't been swimming since I was like a kid on the Isle of Wight, so it's nice to sort of go swimming, but especially if it's like crystal clear water in Malta or some random ass gorge in Slovenia. It's epic. This is a great holiday. Alright, so we have parked up at the top of after a very windy drive. We are heading to a waterfall, which is about 30-40 minutes trek. So yeah, more wilderness exploring, more walking, lots of fun. So from what Alex said online, we have to follow these red sticks to get to the waterfall, and a bit of a red rock. But apparently this is the way to the waterfall. So as for the whole holiday, we'll just follow Alex. We found the littlest green spider. Hello, mate. Yep. That's tiny. So apparently the waterfall is this way. We're all a bit sketched out because, as you can see, that doesn't really look like a path. Neither does this. But Google Maps, the Bible, Google Maps says it's this way. So we are going this way. God, they're going to get me falling over on film, aren't I? Guess what? We're going back up. There's no waterfall. There is, but clearly not there. So we're gonna go all the way back up. Yeah, I've changed my mind about the swimming. There's not a chance. There's not a hope in hell of me getting in that water. We only have 3 towels between the 5 of us. Tell you what, I'll leave it to them. They can have the fun. I'm not getting cold. Do it for the gram. Do it for the gram. You absolute hero.
Show me the toe. Show me the fucking toe.
Fuck! Jesus fucking Christ!
Get this man a towel.
Mate!
There you go. How's that?
Oh my god.
You worth it?
Oh, definitely.
That is so fucking worth it, man.
That is, it's got to be done.
I ain't doing that.
3
Do it.
full belly flops.
Fucking freezing.
So we've stopped on our way back because we may have found a rather beautiful spot for a look. Oh my days. This is the road to that place, the Russian road. But oh my god. Look at that.
So I have to be very quiet because I'm in the hostel. I forgot to make an ender. I forgot to make something to close the vlog. So this is it. Today was awesome. Had loads of fun. My legs really hurt. My camera batteries are dead. My SD cards are full. And my laptop is crying about all the footage. But, oh my god, what a day. Tomorrow is the day we're going to go to Croatia. So that should be loads of fun. And yeah, if it's been anything like the past couple of days, it's only going to be just the most wholesome, genuine fun. Just seeing what the world has to offer and what humanity is doing with it. It's just brilliant. See you tomorrow.